Hey there, Huda here from the.comgal.com, and today I want to show you how to add animations on WordPress. So having visual elements in your WordPress blog is really important because it's more attractive. It makes people stay longer. It makes it more enjoyable to read than a plain text blog. This is why it's really important to add images and pin images and videos and all sorts of media. Having animations is really great. I used to add GIF images in my blog posts, but since I discovered the source of these animations, I actually prefer it. So the source that I'm talking about is called lottefiles.com. You have to sign up for an account. It's actually free, and most of the animations are free. So all you need to do is to actually install it in your website. And I'm going to show you 3 different ways to do it. The first one is going to be just copying and pasting a link. The second way will be with Elementor, and the third way is with a GIF image. So let's start with the first way. First of all, let's look for an animation. Let's say I am in the fitness niche, okay? And I want to put something really cool on my blog post. So I'm going to check fitness here, and then it will show me all the results. There are a lot of pages, so you can just pick and choose whichever you want. It's better to always give credit to the people who've created that, just like I did in this blog post here. As you can see here, animation by, you can put the name of the creator and you can link back to the original file, okay? Obviously they can't be used for commercial purposes, but you can use them on your blog. So let's say we like this one, for example. So the first way to add it to your blog post, like I said, is just basically to copy and paste. So we're going to copy this embed URL, copy it. We will go to add a new post, and I'm going to just paste that link and hit enter. And once I hit enter, it already will show me that animation. So let's preview this post. So as you can see, the animation is already there, okay? The second way to use these animations is to use Elementor. So I'm going to save a draft here, and I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. In case you don't know what Elementor is, it's a website builder that helps you pretty much drag and drop different elements into your content. I highly recommend it. I've been using it for the past 2 years or so. It's really great. It makes building menus and different stuff like this kind of menu here and navigation and stuff like that really easy, and it comes with a lot of templates as well. There is a free version of Elementor, but it's very limited. But in case you want to check it out, I'm going to leave a link below so you can have a look by yourself and see the different types of features and cool stuff that it actually offers. So as you can see here in the Elementor dashboard, you can see different types of widgets. One of the great things about Elementor is that it actually has a Lottie file widget called Lottie. So what I'm going to do here is download this file as a JSON file. I don't know if you pronounce it like that or what. I'm not sure, so I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. So I'm going to download this. I'm going to save it in my computer. And then I'm going back to Elementor, and I'm going to add an element here, and then I will put that Lottie file. I'll just drag it here, and then I'll upload that animation that I've just downloaded. And then I will click on Insert Media, and it's right there. So it's very easy. It's as easy as this to add an animation to your website. The third way, if you don't want to copy and paste and if you don't have Elementor, is you can just convert this animation to GIF. But you don't have to download it, then upload it somewhere and then convert it, because within the website of Lottie Files, you can actually convert it there. So I'm going to click on download, and then I will click on customize GIF, and then I will just click on convert. So once you click on convert, it will start converting. It's going to take a little time, so you have to be patient, and it also depends on your internet connection. So once it's converted, you download it and then you add it on your blog post as if it were a regular image. And that's how you add animations to your website. It's very easy, it doesn't cost money, and it makes your blog posts look better. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you liked this video, please press the like button, subscribe to my content if you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And also check out my other videos on my left if you are interested in those topics. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. And also please follow me on Pinterest. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.